And President William Ruto has reaffirmed Kenya's commitment to strengthening diplomatic and economic ties with South Korea. Speaking at State House, Nairobi, during talks with South Korea National Assembly Speaker Woo Woon-shik, President Ruto said the two countries are expanding cooperation in trade, investment, education, science, technology, and manufacturing. The head of state noted that Kenya is working to remove barriers limiting access for Kenyan agricultural products to the South Korean market in a bid to unlock greater trade opportunities. Ruto also lauded South Korea's support in the establishment of the Kenya Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, saying the institution will play a key role in strengthening the country's scientific and technological capacity for national transformation.